Hello. Now today we are going to be making our very own ID creator. Now what this program will do is we will input our name, weight, and age, and it will form it into the way that you normally see it on ID cards. Now this project will also teach us how you can install cout functions on different lines so that you can manipulate it in a way you want it to be shown in your project. And you can also do the same with the CIN function or SIN function. Now, the first thing to do in this project is create two variables. Actually, four variables. I'm sorry. String first name, string last name, integer age, and last of all, double weight. So this is the variable where we will put in our first name. This is a variable we will put in our last name, and this is the variable where we will put in our age. Now this variable is also the variable where we will put in our weight, and the weight can actually be in decimals because it is a double non-integer. So we will skip a line and print something, cout, name, quotation marks, enter first name, last name, age, and weight. Comma, separated by one or more spaces. Now we will ask for the first name, last name, semicolon, and we will also put in CIN our age and weight. Now, this is going to be the print, and we will print our name, now here is where we will put in our variable, first name, and then put in that. We'll put in right here, last then we will end it off with a semicolon. We'll end it with now we will put in our age, and then we will put in our weight. And that is the end of this code. Now, almost forgot to put a semicolon at the end of that. Now, the program is being run. Now we see this, which is a bit long for one line, and then we just do as it says. We enter our first name. I will place my name as Billy Bob 107 3001. Now we see right here that it says Billy Bob, name Billy Bob, age 107, and weight 3001. Now, it may look pretty weird seeing this, so let's see how we can change that. And we also might want to change this because it kind of does seem a little bit too long for the eye. It would be much better if it just cut off right here. So we're gonna end this, and we will do this. And we're going to change it so that it is much better. Now that looks about right. And then we will then do this. We will set these into 3 different categories: our name, and our weight, and our age. So we will do this. Oops. And right here is where we'll put another end L. And now let's see how this runs and see if it runs any better than before. So this is the same. We should check that out. But I will now put in Daffy Duck. His age is 87, and his weight is 156. That looks way better than it did before, right? Now let's go and see how we can fix this up here, because it did not change at all. So, how can we change this? One thing we can do is put in the end L right here instead of right there. And let's see if that changes anything. And oops, sorry, there was something right there. Just need to change that. Let's see. I think it's better to be left unchanged. Now, you can see that you can't actually do what you can do right here without making this into two separate C outs. So what you can do instead is do this. You have to do it in two separate C outs, as I have learned. And there, look, we have just separated it into two lines. Now we will put in Daffy Duck yet again. His age is 87 and he is 156 pounds. See? Now you can also make it so that it will show the years here. It will say years here and pounds here. Or you could do it the other way around where it's kgs here. And I don't know if there's any kind of other measure of time that is used in other countries. Now, you guys can try and do that on your own. We won't be including that into this video because I think this video has already lasted long enough. Bye.